We will carry on from where we stopped with Lecture 3 in Chapter 3 of the Axilos Prince2 Agile Manual. So, let's consider who Prince2 Agile for and the communities that will benefit from its use. First and foremost, it's for the existing Prince2 community practitioners, project managers, and anyone directing a Prince2 project that's using Agile. But it's not just limited to those roles. Anyone involved in the project support, quality assurance, stakeholders can also benefit from understanding how Prince2 works in an Agile context. Even organizations or individuals outside the Prince2 world can gain value. For example, experienced Agile practitioners may want to adopt an internationally recognized project management standard to complement their Agile skills. One organization had Agile teams delivering products quickly, but struggled with governance and alignment across multiple projects. By using Prince2 Agile, both Prince2 practitioners and Agile teams found a common language and structure, improving coordination and delivery quality. Continuing on, who can benefit from Prince2 Agile. It's not just for seasoned Agile or Prince2 practitioners. Those new to Agile can use this guidance to learn how to evolve their Agile practices while aligning with internationally recognized project management standards. It's important to note, Prince2 Agile is not a replacement for Prince2. For people or organizations outside the Prince2 community, it can serve as a bridge, helping them adopt Prince2 principles across all projects, whether they're Agile or not. In other words, Prince2 Agile helps everyone speak the same language, regardless of where they start from. Let's take a look at the focus of Prince2 Agile specifically, the communities or groups it's designed to help, and how it bridges the traditional Prince2 and Agile worlds. Prince2 Agile wasn't developed in isolation. It's a response to how projects actually operate today, where many Prince2 environments encounter or integrate Agile teams, methods, and values. So, this slide identifies the four main communities and their typical goals when using Prince2 Agile. 1. Prince2 wanting to adopt more Agile. This first group represents Prince2 practitioners or organizations who already use Prince2 but want to make their way of working more adaptive, flexible, and collaborative. In other words, more Agile. Their goal is to integrate Agile behaviors such as iterative delivery, customer collaboration, and responding to change into their existing Prince2 framework. So they're not discarding Prince2, they're enriching it. They want to keep its governance strengths but introduce Agile practices like Scrum sprints, Kanban boards, or daily stand-ups to improve responsiveness and customer satisfaction. Key idea: Prince2 gives control and structure, Agile gives flexibility and speed. Prince2 Agile enables both simultaneously. 2. Prince2 encountering Agile. The second group includes Prince2 organizations or teams who are encountering Agile methods in other parts of the organization or in partner companies. For example, a Prince2 governed project team might need to coordinate with an Agile software development team using Scrum. Their aim is to understand Agile principles, not necessarily to become Agile teams themselves immediately, but to learn how Agile works so that they can tailor Prince2 appropriately and integrate smoothly. So, their focus is on understanding and alignment rather than transformation. Example: a public sector project using Prince2 interacts with a private contractor working in Agile. They need a shared language and framework to collaborate effectively. 3. Prince2 practicing Agile. The third group are Prince2 practitioners already experimenting with Agile ways of working. They might be running stand-ups, using user stories, or managing incremental releases but without a formal standard. Their goal is to adopt Prince2 Agile as a recognized, structured standard that validates their approach and provides consistency across the organization. They want to show that their blend of Prince2 and Agile isn't ad hoc, it's aligned with an official framework that's auditable, teachable, and repeatable. In short, they're already Agile influenced, but Prince2 Agile gives them the professional scaffolding. 4. Agile wanting to adopt Prince2, secondary group. The fourth, more secondary group, are Agile organizations or teams that now need to add Prince2 governance often because they're scaling up or need stronger oversight and reporting for clients or sponsors. They're used to self-organizing, but now they must work within formal project management structures. Their aim is to adopt Prince2 as an industry-standard governance framework, one that complements their Agile strengths with clear accountability, roles, and product-based planning. Example: a tech startup growing rapidly may need Prince2 controls for investor-funded projects, without losing its Agile culture. 5. Mature Agile organizations. area of focus. Finally, there's the category of mature agile organizations, those that have mastered agile across both business as usual bow and project work. They don't necessarily need transformation, but they see Prince2 Agile as a way to broaden their knowledge base, especially when working on complex, regulated, or cross-departmental projects. This group values Prince2 Agile as a bridge between agile delivery and governance excellence. They can use it to harmonize agile practice with the wider corporate portfolio management environment. Key takeaway: for mature agile teams, Prince2 Agile isn't a training tool, it's a strategic alignment tool. To sum up, Prince2 Agile serves multiple audiences, from traditional Prince2 teams looking to become more agile to agile teams seeking governance discipline. Its real strength lies in integration, providing a common framework and shared language between project management, control, and agile delivery. Whether you start from Prince2 or from Agile, Prince2 Agile helps you meet in the middle, ensuring flexibility and accountability coexist. Thank you for listening. Please drop your questions or any further comments in the chat before continuing with the next lecture.